Imperial Gold Braised Bamboo Shoots with Umami Shrimp Roe. A delicious Chinese, Shandong, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams winter bamboo shoots, 2 tablespoons dried shrimp roe, 2 tablespoons pork lard, 1.5 cups superior chicken stock, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 10 grams rock sugar, a quarter teaspoon salt, 3 slices ginger, to stock scallions. Step 1. Prepare the bamboo shoots by cutting them lengthwise into uniform wedges or thick batons, roughly 2 inches long and a ½ inch thick. Step 2. Blanch the bamboo shoots in a pot of boiling water with a pinch of salt for 5 minutes to remove any bitterness, oxalic acid. Drain and set aside. Step 3. In a small dry pan over very low heat, lightly toast the shrimp roe for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it, set aside. Step 4. Heat a wok or heavy-bottomed skillet over medium heat and add the pork lard, or oil. Once melted, add the ginger slices and scallion sections. Step 5. Fry the aromatics until they turn golden brown and the oil is infused with their scent. Remove and discard the ginger and scallions. Step 6. Add the blanched bamboo shoots to the infused oil. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges of the bamboo begin to look slightly translucent and golden. Step 7. Splash the Shaoxing wine around the perimeter of the wok, allowing it to sizzle and deglaze the pan. Step 8. Pour in the chicken stock, light soy sauce, rock sugar, and salt. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Step 9. Sprinkle half of the toasted shrimp roe into the liquid. Lower the heat to a simmer and cover the wok. Step 10. Braise the bamboo for 10 to 12 minutes. The shoots should absorb the flavors of the stock while maintaining a pleasant crunch. Step 11. Uncover the wok and increase the heat to medium-high to reduce the sauce. Stir occasionally to ensure even coating. Step 12. When the liquid has reduced by 2/3, slowly drizzle in the cornstarch slurry while stirring constantly until the sauce reaches a silky, glaze-like consistency. Step 13. Stir in the remaining shrimp roe and the sesame oil. Toss one last time to ensure every piece of bamboo is speckled with the golden roe. Step 14. Transfer to a warm serving plate, ensuring the glossy sauce is poured over the top. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.